Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the beautiful words of the Meishiv Nefesh as we continue our exploration of the Simcha, the joy that a person has in their Mitzvos. And he writes today from the Arizal. Gila harav achoser ha-mekubal, Merino harav Yitzchak Ashkenazi Zatzal, the Arizal. The Arizal revealed to us the following. The Ish Saidai, he revealed this to one of his great friends. Shekol ma shehisig, sheniftechu lo ishaya chachma ruach hakodesh. The Arizal, who was the great Kabbalist from approximately 500 years ago, who lived out the end of his years in this holy city of Tzfas in Israel, he said that the reason he was privileged to reach such high levels of wisdom, even to the point of Ruach HaKodesh, divine inspiration, and all of the gates of all of these levels of wisdom and divine inspiration opened up to him, was B'schar Shayasamech Ba'asiyas Kol Mitzvah, is in the reward for the joy and the happiness that he had in every mitzvah that he performed. Simcha Gedola Le'ein Tachlis. It was a tremendous amount of simcha without any end. The simcha that the Arizal had when he did a mitzvah, when he wrapped himself in his talis in the morning and he wrapped his tefillin afterwards, and he davened to Hashem Shachris, and he said the Shmon Esrei, and then afterwards he would eat some breakfast and he would say his brachas, his blessings, and then he would sit in the Beis HaMidrash and he would learn Torah, the deepest secrets of Kabbalah, of mysticism, of the great halachic authorities of previous generations. And then he would be involved in other mitzvahs throughout the day, whether it was chesed, or giving tzedakah, or it was learning more Torah, teaching over his secrets of the mystical world to his students. Anything that the Arizal did in the world of mitzvahs, he was samech, simcha gedola. He had a tremendous amount of joy. Le'ein tachlis, there was no bounds, there was no ends to this joy. Va'omar, and he said, Dahainu dichsiv, like it says in the verse, Tachas asher lo avadatas Hashem Elokecha b'simcha. The reason that all of the hardships befall the Jewish people throughout history is because we don't serve Hashem b'simcha, with joy, u'betuv levav, and with a good heart, miroiv kol, from all of that. What is miroiv kol? What is the miroiv kol from all of everything, all of that which we are not serving Hashem properly? Perish miroiv kol. What does miroiv kol from all of that mean? Mikol minei ta'anug sheba'olam, from all of the pleasures that there are in the world. Umikol zeh, umikol zahav upaz, from all gold and all jewels and silver. Rav ve'avonim toivos u'margolios, from all of the precious stones and pearls and diamonds and rubies and gems. Said the Arizal. It says over here in the verse that the reason that HaKadosh Baruch Hu brings the suffering on the Jewish people is because we don't serve HaKadosh Baruch Hu with real simcha and with real joy, because we don't recognize that the mitzvahs are greater than all of the pleasures of this world. The mitzvahs are more powerful and they're more valuable than gold and silver and diamonds and rubies and pearls and sapphires. If a person would recognize that, they would see intrinsically how great the mitzvahs are. They would not be able to contain themselves when performing the mitzvahs. They would have such a simcha, such a joy, such an excitement, like a little kid who goes to the candy store or goes to the toy store to buy a toy. He's so excited, he's looking around for everything that he wants, and when he and his parents agree on this chocolate over here, this lollipop here, or this toy car, or that little machine that he wants to get, the simcha that a child receives because he sees that he's getting something good, it knows no ends. So too the same thing is supposed to be by ourselves when it comes to mitzvahs. We should have the same excitement and the same joy and the same pleasure when we have the opportunity to engage ourselves in a mitzvah, just as a child gets excited over the candy or the new toy that he's going to get. As Shabbos comes upon us, may we be zeicha, may we merit that as we have more time to focus in on all of the mitzvahs of Shabbos, in the special davening that we have, in the zmiros, the songs that we sing by the Shabbos table. Learning on Shabbos is something that's miyuchad, that is special. Chasadim that we can do, you can set the table, you can clear the table, you can help your wife, help your spouse. If you go to somebody else's house, you compliment the host, how delicious everything was. All the mitzvahs that we have, shalashudis, the 3 meals that we have to eat, if we'll do it with simcha, it will elevate our Shabbos experience. We should be zeichim yetz Hashem to continue going michayil l'chayil, from strength to strength, from simcha to simcha, from joyous moments of happiness to more joyous moments of happiness, that we should always, the mitzvah should always find favor in our eyes, and our performance of the mitzvahs should always find favor in the eyes of Hashem. All the best.